Learning objectives. Know exactly how to execute SPY DCA plus covered call cycles. Learn how to automate parts of the strategy with tools. Understand how to log, review, and refine performance over time. Finish the course with a complete plan and confidence to launch. Section 6.1 Recap of the strategy stack layer component. Base, dollar cost averaging into SPY, weekly/monthly. Income, 45-day OTM covered calls, delta 15 to 20. Behavior rules-based approach to rolling, skipping, or adjusting risk hold through drawdowns, pause calls during stressed packs. Be mindful of short-term versus long-term impacts. This strategy aims for 7 to 12% annualized return with less volatility and more control. Section 6.2 Manual execution. The step-by-step plan monthly workflow. SPY DCA purchase. Set auto buy your broker monthly or bi-weekly check call setup. Day. Every 30 to 45 days. Friday is ideal action. Sell 1 call per 100 SPY shares criteria. Delta 0.15 to 0.20. Expiration equals 45 days out. Strike equals 5 to 10% above SPY price. Premium greater than or equal to 0.5% of SPY. Monitor weekly. Track price versus strike. Prepare to roll early if needed. SPY approaches strike on expiration. If OTM write new call next business day. If assigned by back SPY next business day. Reset position. Use a spreadsheet or broker notes to manage the cycle. Section 6.3 Semi-automation tools. No code or low code broker. Platforms broker. Features. Fidelity. Schwab. Manual. But reliable DCA plus options. Tastytrade. eTrade. Good for covered call rules. Interactive brokers. Supports rules plus scripting. Robinhood. SoFi. Simple UI. Limited automation. Tools for tracking. Google Sheets plus import XML to auto-track SPY plus options. Portfolio tracker apps. ShareSite. Delta. Kubera optional automation. Advanced. Zapier. Track expiration dates and alert via email. Option alpha. Tradia. No code rules-based bots. Auto roll. Auto write Python or Excel macros. Roll logic. Assignment alert. Section 6.4 Performance tracking and KPI dashboard. Key metrics. Metric. Target. SPY DCA cost basis decreases over time. Covered call yield 0.5%, 1.5% per cycle. Assignment frequency low, less than 20%. Annualized return 7 to 12% with reduced drawdowns. Max drawdown better than raw SPY by 2 to 5%. Use pre-built tracker provided or customize your own dashboard. Section 6.5 Final assignment. Your personal execution plan. Students will complete a one-page execution plan, including broker-used DCA schedule. For example, first plus 15th covered call timing. For example, every 6 weeks call selection rules. Delta. Strike. Expiration assignment handling plan promises. Volatility rule. Pause. Shift delta. Skip deliverable. My 12-month SPY plus covered call playbook. Printable action sheet. Section 6.6 FAQ. Troubleshooting and strategy maintenance queue. What if I'm assigned and SPY is 10% higher? A. You made a capped gain. Rebuy SPY next day and continue. Q. What if premiums fall too low to make it worth it? A. Skip a month or write longer dated calls, 60 to 75 days. Q. Can I use leaps instead of shares? A. Yes, that's a synthetic covered call strategy using deep ITM leaps. Bonus module. Q. What if I want to stop writing calls and just hold? A. Totally fine. You still benefit from DCA and long-term SPY growth. Section 6.7 Graduation and next steps. You now have a complete retirement income strategy. You've combined passive index investing, white tick mark emoji, active income generation, white tick mark emoji, risk controls and discipline, white tick mark emoji. You can now optionally add leaps for leverage, advanced buildable dividend reinvestment, DRIP. Teach this strategy to others. Coaching/mentoring optional upgrade. Move from manual to automated system via option alpha or scripting. Thanks for watching. For similar content, please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next module.